Health University presents 20 delicious foods that are high in protein. Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining and repairing the body's tissues. Incorporating a variety of high-protein foods into your daily diet is not only a delicious way to meet your nutritional needs, but also beneficial for overall health and well-being. In this video, we will explore 20 delicious foods high in protein that you can enjoy on a daily basis to fuel your body and support your health. 1. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is a lean source of protein, low in fat, and versatile for various culinary dishes. Grilling, roasting, or sautéing chicken breasts can provide a tasty and protein-packed meal. 2. Salmon. Salmon is not only rich in protein, but also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, promoting heart health. Baked or grilled salmon makes for a nutritious and delicious meal. 3. Eggs. Eggs are a complete source of protein and can be prepared in numerous ways, from scrambled to poached, making them a breakfast favorite. 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only high in protein, but also packed with probiotics, aiding digestion. Top it with fruits and nuts for a delicious snack. 5. Quinoa. Quinoa is a versatile grain high in protein and a great option for vegetarians and vegans. It can be used as a base for salads, bowls, or as a side dish. 6. Tofu. Tofu, made from soybeans, is a plant-based protein source, perfect for stir-fries, soups, and even desserts like tofu chocolate mousse. 7. Lean beef. Lean cuts of beef are protein-rich and provide essential nutrients like iron and zinc. Grilling or broiling lean beef can result in a mouth-watering steak. 8. Lentils. Lentils are a high-protein legume, ideal for soups and stews. They are not only nutritious, but also budget-friendly. 9. Almonds. Almonds are a nut high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making them an excellent snack to curb hunger. 10. Pork. Pork provides a rich source of protein, and lean cuts like pork loin can be prepared in various delectable ways. 11. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are a versatile legume used in various dishes, such as hummus, curries, and salads, offering a plant-based protein source. 12. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is a popular source of protein and healthy fats. Spread it on whole grain bread or use it as a dip for fruits and veggies. 13. Shrimp. Shrimp is a low-calorie and high-protein seafood option that can be grilled, boiled, or sautéed to create mouth-watering dishes. 14. Edamame. Edamame, young soybeans, is a protein-packed snack or appetizer often found in Japanese cuisine. 15. Turkey. Turkey is a lean source of protein and can be used to make sandwiches, burgers, or roasted for a traditional Thanksgiving dinner. 16. Black beans. Black beans are high in protein and fiber, making them a nutritious addition to burritos, soups, and salads. 17. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a dairy product packed with protein and can be enjoyed with fruit or as a savory topping for dishes. 18. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green rich in protein, iron, and various vitamins. It can be used in salads, smoothies, or as a side dish. 19. Tempeh. Tempeh is a plant-based protein made from fermented soybeans. It's a versatile ingredient for vegans and vegetarians, often used in stir-fries, sandwiches, or marinated and grilled for a flavorful protein source. 20. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and are rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. You can create a protein-packed chia pudding by mixing chia seeds with your choice of milk and adding sweeteners like honey or fruits. Incorporating these 20 delicious high-protein foods into your daily diet can not only provide you with the essential nutrients your body needs, but also add a burst of flavor and variety to your meals. Whether you're a meat lover, vegetarian, or vegan, there are plenty of options to choose from. So start enjoying these protein-rich foods and take a step towards a healthier and tastier lifestyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you found the information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up by hitting that like button. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss our latest health tips and updates. We love hearing from you. Please leave a comment below with your thoughts, questions, or suggestions. Your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Together, we can create a healthier, happier world. Stay tuned for more great content, and we'll see you in the next video.